Hey everybody, in today's video quick tip we're going to learn how to quickly and easily combine PHP and curl to make tweets. So you can imagine doing this maybe after you create a blog post for your custom CMS or something like that, where it'll just automatically tweet that. So I have a blank index.php page, and let's go ahead and create a class, because maybe in future quick tips we'll extend this and make a Twitter class. So that might be neat. And I'm going to call this function make tweet, and it needs to accept a message. Message will be whatever you wish to tweet, of course. So C is going to be equal to curl init, and now we need to pass some options. So I'm going to do curl set option, and it's going to be for that C variable, and the first one's going to be curl opt URL, and it needs to know what is the URL that we're requesting, and it's going to be http twitter.com/statuses/update.xml. Now, update.xml requires a couple things. First, we need to post. We can't manually access that web page. And second, we need to pass in our tweet, and we also need to pass in our username and password so that we have authority to tweet from this account that we're loading. So I'm going to copy that, and we're going to do a couple more. Next one is going to be timeout. How long are you going to try before it times out? Because we don't want it to do indefinitely, so we'll set that to 5. And the next one is going to be return transfer, and what this will do is it'll return whatever, when you make a request, it might be returned as JSON or something like that. Rather than just immediately echoing it out or something like that, you can return it to a variable so that you can work with it later. And I'm going to set that to 1, which means true. And let's do another one, post. Remember I said we have to make a post request to this page. I'm going to set that to 1 as well. And now post fields. And post fields, it needs to know what are we posting to this page. We are posting our message. So I'm going to set status equals message. Note that I am using double quotes here. If you use single, you can't embed a variable like that. Okay, so the next one is we need to pass in our username and password, right? So user, this is one way to do it. User pwd, and what we can do here is just set, we'll hard code it in for now, nt demo, this is a sample account I set up, followed by the password. So username, password. And that should do it. So now I'm going to call result equals curl execute C, which is what we filled this variable up with. Now we're done with curl, so I can go ahead and close that out, curl close, and finally let's just return result. Okay, so now we've created this. Let's just go ahead and create our new class. So Twitter equals new instance of the Twitter class, and now we just need to call make tweet. So we'll call tweet equals Twitter make tweet, and let's pass in. This is for an awesome video quick tip. Okay, and then finally, if we want to echo out what that is populated, we can echo tweet. So I'm going to go back here, refresh the page, and if I call refresh, whoops, let's just go ahead and make that capital. Try that one more time. Okay, and that's what was returned. So now you can see I had to do this twice because I ran out of time, but you see now this is for an awesome video quick tip. So it's just simply a matter of passing in some curl options, passing in our status, and then in future video quick tips, we're going to extend this class to make it even better, where you can pass in a username and password, fetch tweets, do a lot of stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.